Hey guys, welcome to MR Arts. My name is Rohan and let's get started. So in this video we will be seeing how to shade the ears, the beard. So the ears is the similar process, we have to layer it, so we will do that quickly. And this video is especially for the hairs, so for the beards. So before starting, I would recommend you to watch the previous 3 parts of this video for a better understanding. So let's get started. So for the ear we have to do the same layering process. So you can see that I am observing the reference image and I am just giving the layers. First I will go with the HB, and then this is also the second layer of HB, and then I am blending it, and then I am again layering it. So we have already seen in the previous 2 videos how to layer, so you can check that out. So the ear is made using the same layering process, and I am using white gel pen for the ornaments. Similarly, the same process in this ear. So you have to add layers based on the reference image, based on the darkness you need. So you can use a kneaded eraser for getting the light shade. So now you can see the chin area, we are shading the chin area. So I am just giving a smooth shade to the chin area, and also I am drawing the beard, which is below the lips. And before drawing the beard, before drawing the hair in the beard, we have to give the skin layer in it. So because it's not like a thick beard, it's just a thin beard, so it's just like a little bit patchy beard. So we are giving the skin tone before, and then we will go with the hair. So you can see that I'm using a 0.3 mechanical pencil for getting the hair. This will give me fine minute hairs. So you have to just observe the drawing, see the photo, and observe where the hair strokes are going, and then you have to just give the strokes in the same direction on your sketch. So you can see that I am just observing it from the reference photo, and I am just giving the strokes in the same direction. So after first layer you have to blend it, and now I am going with a little bit darker pencil. So this is a 6B pencil, so this will give a little bit more darkness to the beard. And then you have to blend it. And then I'm using a Tombow eraser for the highlights. So yes guys, that's all. We have shaded the nose and the beard in this video, and in the next video we will be doing the hair. So I'll be making a particular video for the hair so that it will be easy for you to understand. So in this video only this much. So I hope you have understood something from the video, and if you have understood something from the video, hit the like button below, and ask your questions in the comments, and if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below. So thank you for watching the video. See you later. Bye bye.